Hey guys, welcome back. Tim Knox with Revolved Realty. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I am, because I'm here with my buddy, Noell Bishop of Bishop 30 Solutions.
Glad to be here.
Yeah. Hey man, I always feel safer when you're around.
Oh yeah?
Because I know you're situationally aware.
That's true.
And you're not going to let me be what's called a soft target.
I will not.
What is a soft target?
So a soft target is what the bad guys want. They want somebody who is not, well, we just talked about situational awareness.
It's a very big word.
It is.
It's two very big words.
And they want to find someone who is not paying attention.
Okay.
They don't know what's going on. For instance, person got their head in the phone. Okay. And that is a beacon for a bad guy, because they can get right up close to you and they can do whatever they want to you, and you don't know it's coming.
Right.
Whether it's behind a pillar, whether it's behind a car in a parking lot, and you're giving out signs, just, hey, come get me, come get me.
Right.
As opposed to walking down the street, head up, looking around, someone coming by you, looking quickly in the face and moving on.
Right.
I mean, you don't want to stare at them, but you want to make sure that you know that they're there.
So really a soft target is an easy target.
Absolutely.
So if you are, again, my favorite store, Walmart, if you are walking out of Walmart with your nose in your cell phone, not really paying attention, you don't know if someone's following you or not.
You don't. You have no
and
idea.
By not being situationally aware, which we talked about in the first video, you are making yourself an easy or soft target.
Yes.
And so what we'll do in the next video is talk about the ways that you can make sure you are not a soft target. You mentioned the confidence, the eye contact, maybe a few other tips that we can talk about. So if you would like to hear more from Noell and learn about everything he does, because you do personal self-defense, you do realtor training, you do active shooter training, how do they get in touch with you?
Well, you can get on my website. It's bishop30solutions.com. That's bishop with a 30 solutions.com. Or you can just call me, 256-513-2280, and I would love to talk to you.
Very good. And if I can ever do anything for you when it comes to real estate, don't hesitate to call me, 679-0704. The email address, tim@revolved.com. Of course, we're all over the web, Noell.
Yeah,
I'm on Facebook. I'm a soft target on Facebook.
That's all right. They can't get you there.
That's
just digits.
That's good to know. All right, we'll talk to you next time. Take care.